Guys, we back with another episode. That is episode 2 from the manager career is Aston Villa. Please like and subscribe my videos. We play Arsenal our first game. Our second game is manager. I got news. Oli Watkins come in by me and told me I must turn up. I told him he must win the Premier League and Champions League for me. Then I was making an idea of him. He said, please turn me up. We want to win this game and we can turn him up. We want to start this game. We get the free gear from outside the box and I pass it. Any shoots on my table but this week I have Saka take on me. We want to win Arsenal. Why did the game so sticking in your games are supposed to what? The defender make what? Oh yes. Scoot! Oh my days on only Watkins we get the scored your new system at the score. Oh my days! We score finally a bicycle. Oh, this player is on fire. He scored the bicycle. Oh my days, he scored. No, we are under attack. We are under attack. Shoot! Oh my days, what was that? Sergio Busquets again. Oh my days. This player is on fire. Sergio Busquets is on fire. Another scored again. We demolish Arsenal. Shoots on this. Oh my days. Sergio. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my freaking days. Here's the defender. Only Watkins. Oh my love them. This was oh my days. Only Watkins scored a banger. That was a banger. Oh look at it. Only Watkins scored a banger. Look at only Watkins. This guy wanted I must train him up. He won I must train him. I was train now because from that over we just been cooking. Arsenal, yo, come again. Oh my days, holy what? Again. This place is on fire. What was that? He was on fire. Oh my days, he's on fire. 4-0. Oh my days, holy what? He puts it as wide. And I put the ball. And take the 4-0. We take. Oh my days, sorry. Sorry, that was my fault. It was my fault. I clicked the wrong button now. Okay, that was my fault. Oh my days, Nico Williams was injury out. It only Watkins team injury was the game. Club of the year, we are fan of the only Watkins. I want to tell Only Watkins. We are now tell Only Watkins. He was in the meeting with me for training him. Only Watkins is so good at this team. I don't know why the thing don't start him out. There's up. Watkins moment. He's shooting. Oh, he's shooting. I must tell you, the coach is be terrible. Oh my days. Even one is terrible. We should finally top on the league. We didn't even lost Chelsea. Last place. Oh my days. The stats. Only Watkins top scorer in my player. 5 4 goals in 5. play now our Champions League game against Real Madrid. Oh my days. That will be the biggest game ever I played. Oh my days, Nico Williams are injured for this game. I want to start Bailey and see what Bailey can do. Is what I want to serve him and put Nana on because it's like start the match as well. Can we win against Madrid? Oh, it's a Bailey. Yeah, only Watkins. Oh my days. Yes. Only Watkins. Oh, he puts his wide only Watkins. Oh my days, what was that? Who's there shooting? Oh my days, he put it wide. He just beat Rudiger and puts the ball wide. Only Watkins. Oh, what? What was that? Only Watkins? No, we just scored. He scored. No, yes. Courtois, yes, the corner. Please, oh, no, give it. We are good in corner goes. Oh my god, corner again. Bailey, why did you don't score that? Onana, please, Onana. Oh my, go, go, yes. He scored the second. This guy is on fire. I don't know then. You look at this. The players on the line. On the line. Go. What was that? All Watkins can score it. It was very good. Papa want to score King S. Bailey. Oh, wait, can you take the win? No. Oh, Onana. All Watkins, Onana. Please. No, they want to second goal. Yes. We take the win. We take the win against Real. No, they give the ball away. Oh yes, take the win. If finally scores Onana man of the match, I think. Oh yes. I just want to try my players as well. Oh, that will be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe for the next episode.